Hi everyone, welcome to the Common Sense Science Association, Bengaluru, India. Friends, if you also believe that the moon rotates once in every 27 and odd days, then here is a golden chance to win rupees 7 lakhs, $10,000 approximately. To know how, please watch this video till the end. The following quote by Richard Feynman highlights the importance of practical experiments in validating scientific theories. Quote, "It doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is. It doesn't matter how smart you are. If theory doesn't agree with experiment, it is wrong." This is a practical experimental kit to find out if the moon truly rotates once in the anti-clockwise direction in the exact time it takes to complete one full orbit around the Earth. In this experiment, this is achieved by using two identical 10 RPM micro-geared motors. This kit consists of two sub-assemblies, which we will see now. In the first sub-assembly, one of the two motors with an extended shaft is mounted in the center of this plate. This motor, which provides orbital motion to the moon, can be rotated only in the anti-clockwise direction. This is a battery holder with a 12-volt battery. This is a push-button on-off switch. This is a paper cutting of the Earth with a reference arrow stuck on it. The bottom of this is glued to an aluminum bush which sits on top of this extended shaft. This sub-assembly functions in the following manner. The second sub-assembly consists of this bush which slides over the extended shaft of the first motor and is connected to this rod which represents gravity. Just as Earth's gravity keeps the moon in position, this rod also keeps the artificial moon in position. The other end of the rod is attached to an L-shaped plate onto which the second motor is fixed. This motor, which provides rotational motion to the moon, can be rotated both in the clockwise as well as in the anti-clockwise direction. This is a forward-reverse switch. This is an on-off switch, and this is a battery holder with a 12-volt battery. This is a paper cutting of the moon with a reference arrow stuck on it. This is also glued to an aluminum bush which sits on top of this motor shaft. This sub-assembly functions in the following manner.